Need equipment but don't want to drain your cash reserves? Listen to this. Equipment financing allows you to purchase or lease construction equipment, commercial vehicles, medical equipment, technology, and manufacturing equipment. Because the equipment often serves as collateral, approval may be easier than with many traditional loans. It's for businesses needing equipment to increase revenue and productivity. How much funding could your business qualify for? Answer a few quick questions to discover your potential loan options and your estimated funding range report. No personal information required. We'll simply ask about your industry, when you started, and your monthly revenue. Your next customer, employee, or expansion project may depend on the capital you secure today. Complete the 60-second quick app and see what funding opportunities may be available.